Yes, guys, welcome back to the next module. This is going to be a good one as usual. Guys, how to create your own NFT to sell. Because I own one of the biggest NFT pages on Instagram, I get this all the time. How do I sell my NFT? I've got an NFT. I want to sell it for this and sell it for this. Do you want to buy? You want to buy? A lot of people want to make the NFTs. And it's great. It's a great idea, guys. Great way to monetize your skills if you're a good artist, or you could want to maybe not build an actual NFT brand, but there's a movement that you stand for and you just want to put an NFT on there and represent this movement. So yeah, I really understand why people want to do this. So I'll go through this module with you guys. Some of it might be repetitive. When I say repetitive is, I know some people will pick and choose what modules to watch in Web3. So I know some people might just want to pick this module and not listen to other modules. So if anything that you hear that you've heard before, just fast forward it. Okay, so first of all, guys, you need to find artists, good artists. And this is where you can find good artists, yeah? Because you need a good artist for your NFT. So you can find one on Fiverr. Okay, little note here, check the tutorials and website tutorials. I'm doing an actual module going through websites that you need to know. Okay, so Fiverr is a good place. Instagram is a very good place. I found some great artists on Instagram. Just literally go on Instagram, search. Remember, all these platforms, social media platforms, use them as search engines as well, because this is where you can find great talent, and you can see it's like their own website. So you put in NFT artists, have a look what comes up. You can just see the art. That's their website. So you can find NFT artists there, no problem. Twitter, exactly the same thing. Put NFT artists in search, and you can check all the artists on there, and you'll see people tagging other artists and just go through the rabbit hole to find the one that's best suited for your desires, for your project. Upwork's very good one as well. We'll definitely do a tutorial on that because I spoke about Upworks a lot of times, and a lot of you guys don't really know what Upworks is or how to use it, but rest assured, I will teach you. Okay, so now you got your artist, right? You got your artist, found your artist. If you're struggling, guys, hit me up and I'll put you in touch with an artist. Okay, then obviously you need to list on OpenSea. We're going to do a tutorial, guys, about OpenSea as well. Show you guys how to list, how to buy on there as well, okay? And how to sell the ones that you do buy. Okay, marketing. Remember, guys, a lot of people, they message me on NFT Wealth and they say, my NFT has been on OpenSea for 2 months, nobody buy. And nobody's gonna buy because nobody knows it's there. You have to do some sort of marketing to sell your NFT. I personally wouldn't even worry about, if it's just your first NFT, I wouldn't even worry about making profits. I would just want to spend it on marketing and then build some sort of, brand and social proof, etc., etc. Okay, so contact Instagram pages for paid promo. A lot of people buy from Instagram, also from Twitter, but that's gonna come up in a bit. Reach out to me. I've got my Instagram page as well. I'll give you guys, anyone in the university, I'll give crazy discount for, like crazy. But mine's a big page, so mine's expensive. I'll still give you crazy discount. But you can reach out to smaller pages if you've got smaller budgets. And if you want to message me on Discord, ask me in the group. Ask me in the group, better than messaging on Discord, guys. Any question, just ask me on the Zoom, please. Make it so much easier. Ask me on the Zoom, and I will show you some good Instagram pages. If a few people ask me, I'll put it on resources, in the resource section. But yeah, you can reach out to some Instagram pages and I will tell you if they're botted or not, and also tell you if their price is fair. Same thing what I just says on Instagram, you reach out to pages. The same thing on Twitter, reach out to influencers. So you just go onto Twitter and you reach out to influencers to promote your project. Okay, so influencer marketing. Exactly same thing with TikTok, same again, influencer marketing. Reach out to people, but remember, guys, be specific to your niche. do not make the mistake of getting a gamer to promote an NFT or getting someone doing fitness to promote an NFT. You have to be specific for NFTs. Remember guys, there's only 1 million active wallets for NFTs. So you want to hit NFT communities because it's not that broad yet where you can be promoting outside NFT and Web3 community and expecting people to buy it because they don't really know or they're unsure about what Web3s are, how to actually purchase NFTs. So please don't waste your time or your money that way. Same thing again, guys. YouTube. YouTube's a very good. I like YouTube, a good one. But same thing with all these guys. Do your due diligence. Make sure they're not botted. Check their comments. Check their likes. Even go as deep as check the likes and see who's liking. Is it a botted account? Okay. If you're unsure, ask me on a Zoom meeting. And if you have to, message me. But I'm just saying, if I keep saying to them, message me, no one's going to turn up on the Zoom meetings. So it's a lot easier to answer these questions in the Zoom meetings. I really like YouTube. If you ask me which was my best of all of them, I would say for NFTs, Instagram first, Instagram first, Twitter first, Instagram, and YouTube. But honestly, all depends. Honestly, like I say that on a very broad, macro kind of answering. But it all depends on your project. If it's a gaming project will do very, very well through TikTok because it's visually impactful. If you've got a great promo video and it's fast paced, TikTok or Instagram. Do you know what I mean? If it's just good art or a decent promo video, Twitter, it literally all depends. But most thing, and I like YouTube because YouTube is very informative. So you can do a YouTube video, obviously paste onto YouTube video, and they can explain it. Maybe your project needs explaining. Maybe your utility is different, and you need kind of more of an explaining, which is YouTube's great. Yeah, also obviously marketing as well is just your socials. So create all of the above and post regularly and post good tags, tag influencers, at influencers should I say. And yeah, just even TikTok. I think TikTok is an amazing one for organic reach. So you can do loads of little promo videos on TikTok. Okay guys, it's literally a short but sweet one just because it's a NFT. It's an NFT, selling an NFT. It's not really rocket science, guys, for this one. And more for NFT brand is a bit more to it. There's a bit more to the NFT brand, but the actual NFT project, just one NFT, and you're just trying to sell it, is not hard. It's not difficult. And also, guys, just hit me up on the Zoom. I'll answer any questions about that. It's a very simple procedure selling your NFTs. There's nothing to it. You just got to create it, market it, sell it. It's very, very simple. All right then, guys. Yeah, to the next one. Short but sweet. The next one I'm doing, not sure if it's been the same, or the next one I'm doing is actually doing NFT brands, how to build an NFT brand, and that is deep. So I look forward to seeing you guys on that one. And guys, to the next one. Peace out.